Microsoft Edge comes pre-installed on Windows 11 with Bing as its default search engine. But if you prefer to remove Bing completely, you can do so, and here's how. First, you can tweak settings in the registry editor. Just search for Registry Editor, go to this path, then in here, right-click, select New, choose DWORD, and then name the new key to this. Once done, double-click on it, then change its value from 0 to 1. After doing that, go to this path, locate the Bing Search Enabled key, double-click on it, and change its value to 0. Alternatively, you can also do it in the Microsoft Edge. Just go to Settings and More, select Settings, choose Privacy, Search and Engines, and under the Services, scroll down to Address Bar. Then on this option, choose Other Search Engines from the drop-down menu to remove Bing. Once done, restart Microsoft Edge, and you have now completely removed Bing Search from your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.